The Toyota Fortuner might represent a turning point for its future and is scheduled for a significant facelift. Imagine an SUV already well known for its tough appearance now fitted with fuel-saving technologies, so driving efficiency to unprecedented levels. The main question is, though, will this invention find its way to Australia? Toyota South Africa unveiled the Fortuner this week using a 48-volt mild hybrid technology. The new vehicle runs a 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine alongside a 48-volt battery and electric motor generator. For a car this size, these elements used together are meant to increase fuel economy by up to 5%, a notable improvement. The catch is that although the technology is finding its way into Australia, its appearance on South African roads is yet unknown. The hybrid technology used in Toyota's popular Hilux Ute will also be included in the forthcoming 250 series Land Cruiser Prado in Australia. Regarding the Fortuner, nevertheless, Toyota Australia has not yet decided whether or not to release this variation. Australia sources its Fortuner and Hilux models from Thailand, where the manufacturing line has yet to include the mild hybrid system into the Fortuner, which is one of the main causes of the delay. Australian consumers are so waiting to find out whether and when the fuel-saving innovation will be ready. Since 2015, the Fortuner has been a staple of Australian motoring scene. 2020 saw various technology changes and a redesign. Fascinatingly, the design of the Australian Fortuner is different from the South African counterpart, especially in front and back. Notwithstanding these differences, the new Fortuner 48 volts in South Africa runs like the Australian Hilux V-Active. The single-turbo diesel engine drives both and generates 500 Nm of torque and 150 kilowatts of power. One main difference, though, is that the Fortuner and Hilux have a 6-speed automatic transmission while the forthcoming Land Cruiser Prado will have an 8-speed automatic, which should increase fuel economy even more. Although the Fortuner is very well known worldwide, it competes fiercely in Australia where its sales follow those of rivals such Ford Everest and even Toyota's own Prado. Fortuner aficionados are wondering whether they will ever see this greener, more efficient variant on their roads, as the introduction of the mild hybrid version in Australia is yet unknown.